All-in-one styling tool. Includes one TopsyTail, one TopsyTail Jr., 3 black elastics. Styling book shows just how it's done. High-quality hair accessories. From classic scrunchies no-damage hair elastics to glam bobby pins, curlers, rollers, hair wraps, clips, brushes, Conair has the accessories styling tools you need. Innovative hair care tools. From blow dryers to auto curlers, combo stylers, specialty hair brushes. Whatever your hair type or length, Conair has a styler that will let you create any look you feel like wearing. The Conair TopsyTail gives you the ability to effortlessly create an array of updos. Flip, wrap, twist, tie or twirl. This brilliantly simple tool comes in 2 sizes with a supply of elastics and instructions for how to create your perfect pony, braid, half up, half down, do and more. Top reviews from the United States. Works as promised. Delivered as promised. Works perfectly.